Okay, so now you've created your spreadsheet. You're going to grab the add-on and you go get add-ons. And the one you're looking for is called copy down. Click on it. It'll pop up on the side here. You're going to turn the formula from off to on. You're going to look for your formula. This is a VLOOKUP, and you're going to save the settings. And that way it'll paste all of your other VLOOKUPs in the spreadsheet so that you don't have to do it each time you run a mail merge. Then you're going to go back to your add-ons. You're going to run AutoCrat, which we downloaded earlier. And you're going to create a new merge job. And you're going to choose a template from Drive. I already used the summary feedback, but you're going to go in your Drive, call it summary, search for it. There it is. I can see it. I'm going to select that as my template. Now it's going to ask me to name the template. I call it summary feedback. Set it. Okay, this next sheet just matches the tags. It's mapping them according to the column on your source data sheet. So in the spreadsheet, you have headings. See, this one says the tag on your Word or document is student, and the sheet header is timestamp. So it's not quite matched up. So we're just going to make it student name. And then when it sees student in the tag, it will put the student name in there. Strengths is strengths, next steps is next steps. So that's what we want. We're going to save that. Okay, here, file naming convention. It will create a new file in your Google Drive. So I name mine with the student name. And that way I can sort. It has to be exact. So notice the capital N in student and the $ is a variable. Okay, and I'm going to save it as a PDF because then it's not modifiable. And I'm going to click on the email button. And I'm going to email it to, and you'll see one of your defaults here is email. So I'm going to put the $ in email, and I'll grab the email and say the subject line is feedback from, Miss Bowie. Okay, and you can write attached to this email, you will find feedback. Okay, this is totally customizable. You can put whatever you want in here, and it'll come in the content of the email. Okay, the merge document that you're going to include is a PDF. Again, it's not modifiable. Finally, you're going to go to the advanced settings, and you're going to run AutoCrat whenever new forms are submitted. You can set it at a time if you're going to email parents or whatnot for dinner time. It's up to you. But run AutoCrat when new forms are submitted. Hit save. Okay, and then you're done. So summary feedback is here. It's the new merge job. You can always go in and preview what it's going to look like. You can edit your merge. Okay, so now if I go back up here to my letter writing form, and I am going to run it, I should get a new document. And actually it was called letter writing student feedback form, I think. That's one from my class. So I want the one that I just created, summary responses. So I'm going to search for the form called summary. I'm going to find it. There it is. And I'm going to view the live form. And I'm going to run it. So I'm going to grab this buoy, does this well. And next steps, hit submit. Now, when I go back to my response form, you will see that all this information has copied in. Okay, so the strengths, the next steps, the email, it copies down the formula, so it found your email address. And now, in a second, it'll add a merge document ID and a link to the merge document. And it should generate the email. So there's the link to the merge document. You can click on it and see what it looks like. And here, the document merge status, it says document created. It gives you a timestamp. And there was an email sent, and it shows you who it was sent to. So when it doesn't work, it actually says bad email. So you can continue to use this formula going forward. So take a look and see if you can set this up on your spreadsheet.